What's going on, yo? It's your boy Matt, just in case you didn't know, you need to know. I'm going to Walmart to get paid in a bike. That's what we're doing. This is crazy. Yeah. There's a line to get into Walmart like it's a club. A club. Hey, so I'm at the editor's table and I realized that I didn't put in some crucial information. I just want to let you know that me and Peyton left Walmart. Yep, that's right, we left. The line went all the way around the building, and there's no way I'm sitting here waiting in line for who knows amount of time. So I just want to let you know that we, in fact, did leave, and we actually went to another Walmart. So let's just keep the story going. Came out here with serious business on his mind. Yo, yeah, he definitely seen me record him, man. His radar was on 1,000. He said, like, he looked immediate. Got the auto lock. Out here coming to Walmart looking like we doing surgery. One of those club lines that's like free entry before 11.
All right, bro. Which one you want to get? Hey. Which bike you want to get? This one? Oh, he just...
Ooh, it's really heavy. Alright, they bought out all the basketball hoops. They bought out all the bikes. Oh, man. Oh, and he's at the plate. With the throw.
He ain't got a drop top on his head. Low rider. With the 16s on it. Not even the 24s. The roof missing, convertible tops.
Hey, me again. This is about a week later. Just wanted to fast forward.
What are you doing? Fix your face.
I'm just doing supposes, Daddy.
But I'm asking you a question.
Yes.
All right, what's going on? Yo, I'm sick of this stupid mask, yo. Right now, I'm about to give Peyton her bike. We just got it from Walmart. We went to Walmart and they didn't have any more bikes. So it was actually disheartening to see Peyton like really sad, like for real. So we got her a bike. I had to get it delivered home so I can build it for her. Then the air in the tire was like gone, so I had to put more air in it. And now I'm gonna have her ride it. So let's see, or let's do it. Whatever you want to say. Just let's go.